the shit out.
What you gonna slap me for?
Me, I'm super fly, super duper fly, super duper.
She was in Honey, weren't you?
Yeah, she was in Honey. Oh! Bro, that was kind of tough. Nobody was really doing the stuff she doing. You feel me? Like she got all this little stuff in the video. You telling me you wouldn't even fuck with this? Oh! No, look, I'm trying to be serious. Miss Elliott on some real shit is a fucking legend, bro.
You're a fucking weirdo.
She's a legend.
I hate that shit.
When the rain hits my window, I take it. Me and Timberland.
So you tell him you can't do them dance moves, right?
You so tight that you get our styles tangled.
Alright.
Sway your do-si-do like you loco. Can we get cooking tonight like Coco? Smoke my on the D-Lo. I can't stand her. It's my window. I can't stand her. It's my window. I can't stand her. It's my window. I can't stand her.
Weird.
How about weird?
It's my window. Beep, beep. Who got the keys to the Jeep?
Okay, first of all, we just not for to sit here and disrespect a fucking icon. This is Miss Elliott, bro. Missy Elliott. Do you not know what this is, bro? No real shit, because you, I feel like you disrespect her. Do you know how many views this song got? She must not know who Miss Elliott is, bro. Y'all, hey, inform her in the comments, please.
I don't need a motherfucker to inform me about nothing.
I'm just saying, I feel like you give out. I'm saying you can do something like this. I'm just saying. Alright.
Why you can't do it? You can do it too.
To the beat. Top down, loud sound, see my feet.
Trying to be funny.
Nobody's trying to be funny.
Who it be? It be me and Timothy.
That stuff he do on the regular.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
I got videos.
Old Missy, try to maintain.
I got videos. He literally be doing the same thing. Don't you? Tell him you said he's talking about me.
And you know what's crazy? I could picture, like, I'm picturing you doing
No, you be doing it. I don't need to picture you doing something. You be doing it already.
I feel the wind. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10. Begin.
What's funny?
Is we finna listen to this whole?
Yes. What's funny? This is a 10, bro. You trying to sit here and laugh and disrespect Miss Elliott, but you can't do that. This is a 10.
Garbage.
The song is not garbage. The song was actually fire. It's a 10. You don't know nothing about this because you was like
Don't you say it or we gonna have some problems.
All right. But yeah, like, see, I'm old school, you know what I'm saying?
Boy,
so,
man, I listen to old school
I know a few of Miss
old
Elliott
school
old
music
songs,
too.
but I never heard this one. I ain't gonna lie.
Or
seen his video. It's not. It's 10, bro. Like, stop playing with it, bro.
All right. Like the rain until the rain starts coming down.
You won't get it. It's like you feel me, different type of vibe.
My umbrella, my finger waves me daily.
It give like a Busta Rhymes vibe. You feel me?
I break away.
I'm serious, bro.
Jump.
Some shit Busta Rhymes doing his videos. Like, she creative as hell with it. You know? I think this is on the TV show. So you telling me this is trash? What's so trash about it?
They only saying the same 5 fucking words.
You not listening to her, bro. Like, listen, you have to listen closely to the lyrics of what she's talking about. At this point, you got too disrespectful.
The beat is. Let me just be quiet.
Listen, you have to.
Let me just be quiet. I don't want to listen.
You have to listen. Oh, is that Diddy? seen Diddy? Like Kim? Like him? Diddy wild, I ain't gonna lie. See, you never, so look, on her shit, you never witnessed greatness before. You get what I'm saying? That's why you feel otherwise. I feel like you just haven't, you feel me? But, hey, a lot of learning, you got a lot of learning to do, man. This was fire, man. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for sure. 10 out of 10. It was a 10 out of 10 to me. I fuck with the visuals. The video is so creative. Like, I feel like Miss Elliott, Busta Rhymes. We're gonna throw Diddy in there. Who else? It's a lot of people from back in the day that had, you know what I'm saying, these type of like vibes and videos. Nowadays, you just got a camera full of switches. How you feel about this song?
It was pretty trash.
Pretty trash. So, scale of 1 to 10, what do you say?
What would you consider trash?
Obviously a 1.
No.
What you rating this scale of 1 to 10?
0.
Oh! 0.
0.
Alright. It's the end of this video. Man, make sure y'all like this video, comment, subscribe. Comment down below what if you like for us to react to, man. And we out.
What the fuck you looking at?
Oh!